I saw the impact PAs had and the compassionate care that they provided, I said, I need to be in medicine. Like, this is my place, this is my why. Without a doubt, Tufts has been my number one, and I felt as such from the beginning. I felt seen, and I like that I'm being challenged. We're learning the cutting edge treatments that are changing medicine.
On average, we probably take like 9 to 10 classes per semester. But the nice thing about all the classes is that they seem to like line up. For example, we were learning cardiac meds in pharmacology, cardiology and internal medicine, and then we were learning in primary care things like hypertension, everything tied together to help you understand everything all at once. And we'll all teach each other because everybody brings in so many different experiences. If one person doesn't know how to do it, you're guaranteed to have somebody in the class who's been like, oh, I've done this before, I can help you.
And now that we're really getting closer to our clinical year, we begin taking courses such as evidence-based medicine or clinical reasoning and really learn how do we apply this to a patient who's not just isolated to a cardiology module. I think that transition from being more foundational to now being more complex was a great standout of the curriculum, and I think it's helped us become stronger thinkers and now think of medicine in a much more like multidimensional way.
We have all different forms of learning and all different forms of assessments. It makes us better students and it'll make us better providers, but it also helps decrease burnout and it makes the entire experience much more enjoyable.
I'm a hands-on learner, so that's kind of where I thrive. The simulation center is absolutely amazing. We have like 16 exam rooms where we can run out any type of simulation, whether that be medical or trauma. With our physical diagnosis class, we'll come down, we'll partner up and run through lumbar punctures, ultrasound IV placement, endotracheal intubation, almost anything we'll do in the real world.
One of the best things that we did in emergency medicine was trauma simulations with the mannequins where they can sweat, they can cry, decompensate if you do something wrong, or they can improve if you do the correct intervention. And I think having that experience where you can work on a team without being super stressed, like, oh my gosh, what if I don't know the dosages of that medication? They're very encouraging and instructive, and it's a nice environment to make mistakes.
Everybody will ask me like, why did you go to Tufts? And I'll always say like, people want me to succeed. And that's kind of like the most important thing, I feel like.
Definitely made the right decision coming to Tufts. I'm actually super proud of where I've come from the beginning. We're all pushing each other to try to bring each other up. We all go celebrate after a hard exam. It's really amazing the way everyone comes together.
We work hard, we study hard, but it's so worth it. And I feel like it's worth it because you're at Tufts.
My original idea of what a PA was really the surface level, and now that I'm really into it and learning about what we are capable of and what our opportunities are as a PA, I'm much more excited about the impact I can make in the healthcare field.
A lot of us were called to the field of medicine because our heart is in helping patients and being a light for a lot of people. Now I'm like getting chills because I want to heal others, and Tufts has really been a place where I've been able to experience that. This is my calling. This is where I'm meant to be.